Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeChef. In today's video, we are going to learn 3 very important SQL operators that help us filter data more precisely. The AND operator, OR operator and like operator. These operators are used along with the where clause and are extremely important when working with real-world databases. Whether you are filtering student, customer, product or employees, these operators will help you extract exactly the data that you need. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand when to use the AND operator, when to use the OR operator, and how pattern matching works using the like operator. So let's get started. AND operator in SQL. The AND operator is used when all conditions must be true for a record to be selected. If even one condition is false, the row will not appear in the result set. You can think of AND as a combination of multiple conditions like condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 3, where all 3 conditions must be true. So here this AND operator is just like the logical AND, where we are combining multiple conditions together and we will get the output only when all those conditions which are a part of the equation are true. Syntax. Select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition 1 and condition 2 semicolon. So here we are using the select command and then using where we are adding multiple conditions. Then with the help of the AND operator, we are combining these conditions in such a way that the record will be displayed only if it satisfied both condition 1 and condition 2. Let's understand the use of the AND operator with the help of a real life example. Suppose you want students who are in CSE branch and have marks greater than 80. So these are 2 different conditions. First, the data that we are trying to fetch should be of students who are from branch CSE and their mark should be more than 80. So these are 2 different conditions. Now when we are putting an AND operator in between them, then we will get the data for only those students who satisfy both conditions. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform and see an example of the AND operator in SQL. So here we have an example. Select star from flights where origin is equal to Mumbai and passenger ID between 10001 and 10007 semicolon. So here we are again using a select command. Now with the help of where we are imposing 2 conditions. First, the passengers whose data we are trying to fetch should be from Mumbai and plus their passenger ID should be somewhere between 10001 and 10007. And since we have put the AND operator in between these 2 conditions, the data will be fetched for only those passengers for whom both of these conditions are true. They are from Mumbai plus they have passenger ID in between this range. Now let's see what is the task for us. Write a query that returns the rows which will meet the following conditions. First, gender female and destination Cairo. This is the expected output. Select star from flights where destination is equal to in single inverted commas Cairo and gender is equal to in single inverted comma female semicolon. From the table flight, we will fetch rows in which the destination value is Cairo and the gender's value is female. Let us run the query. Okay, so we have got exactly the expected output. This is how we combine multiple conditions using AND operator in SQL. OR operator in SQL. The OR operator is used when at least one condition must be true. If any one condition is true, the record will be included. You can think of OR as a combination of multiple conditions like condition 1 or condition 2, where either one works. Its syntax is select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition 1 or condition 2 semicolon. Just like AND, in case of OR also we are combining multiple conditions, but the main difference is that in case of AND operator, all the conditions that we have included in the query must be true and only then the record will be fetched. But in case of the OR operator, when we are combining multiple conditions, when at least one of them is true, then that particular record is fetched from the table and displayed to the user. Let's understand this with the help of a real life example. Suppose you want data of professionals who are doctors or are lawyers. So when we are imposing condition of OR between these two professions, then the professionals from either profession, that means if anybody is a doctor or is a lawyer, will be displayed. Now let us understand this better with the help of a query on the CodeChef platform. Here we have an example. Select star from flights where origin is equal to Mumbai or origin is equal to New York semicolon. Here we have select command, then star means all the entries from flights. Flights is the table name. Then where clause. Now we have decided one column name from which we want the data to be origin and the entry for which we want the row to be fetched is Mumbai. Or then again origin and this time the other value is New York. That means we want all the entries of the row in which for column origin the value should be either Mumbai or New York. Now let's see what's the task for us. Write a query that returns the rows which meet the following conditions. Either origin is Mumbai or the destination is Mumbai. So here we have two different columns. First is origin, second is destination. And if any one of these columns have the value Mumbai, then that row's data should be fetched. Let's have a look at the query. Select star from flights where origin is equal to Mumbai in single inverted commas or destination is equal to Mumbai in single inverted commas and semicolon. So select, this is the command, star means all the data, then from flights, it's the table name, where clause, then origin is the column name. Now what value we need to find in this column? Mumbai. Or another column name is destination, and again the value that we want to find in this column is Mumbai. So if either origin or destination is Mumbai, then that row's data should be fetched in the output. Let's run the query and see. Okay, so here we have got the data and in each row you can see either origin is Mumbai or the destination is Mumbai. Like operator in SQL. The like operator is used for pattern matching in SQL. It helps you find values that start with certain letters, end with certain letters, contain certain letters. Like is mostly used with text or varchar columns. So whenever we want to match a string with another, then we use the like operator. We can use it to match the starting letters of the word or maybe the ending letters or anything that is in between. Its syntax is select column 1 from table name where then column name like pattern semicolon. So this particular query will help us in fetching data based on the column name where entries match the given pattern in the query. Here we have some symbols and their meanings. So whenever we are using the percentage sign, it means it matches 0 or more characters, and when we are using a dash, it means it matches exactly one character. Let's see how to use this with the help of an example on the CodeChef platform. Select star from flights where origin is, then in single inverted commas, percentage York, percentage semicolon. So here we are trying to fetch data from table flights where the value of column origin is similar to York. Now let's see what is the task for us here. Write a query that returns the rows which meet the following condition. Passenger name that ends with A. Let's have a look at the query. Select star from flights where passenger name like, then in single inverted commas percentage A and semicolon. Now let's run the query. So here we have data for all those passengers whose name end with A. This is how we use like for pattern matching. That's it for today's video. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to practice using these operators on the CodeChef platform. In the next video, we will dive deeper into between, in and not operators with real-world examples. Until then, keep practicing the SQL commands on the CodeChef platform. Thank you so much for watching.